Hello guys, it's your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use step by step and start making your first sales with ClickBank. So this is one of my results I got using free traffic and ClickBank. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did this and how you can use this for yourself and get results as well. So with this method, we're going to be using free Instagram traffic. So I'm going to teach you step by step how I made this sale and I make a lot of sales with ClickBank and Instagram free traffic. So as you can see on this sale, you click on the you click on the sale, you see this one sale I made on the ClickBank product, and I can see, as you can see, I put the tracking ID Instagram page. So the product I'm going to be promoting, that I'm promoting using this method, is called the Manifestation Magic. If you go to ClickBank, just click by popularity or gravity, you're going to see the same product and you can promote the same product and make sales with it. So this is the product I'm promoting. You click here. Yeah, so this is the product I'm promoting. It's called the Manifestation Magic and it converts well. So as you can see on the gravity, you can see it has 186 gravity. It means that a lot of people are making sales with this product, and you can see make more sales on the back end. As you can see, there's a rebill of $35. So there's the possibility of making more sales in the back end. So I recommend that you should get started too with this product and get started in the spirituality niche, because that's the best niche that I've seen results with using Instagram if you're going to use this method. So the method I'm using is the method I'm using to promote these products on Instagram is using an Instagram page. So this my Instagram page I've been growing. It's just a small page. It's not up to 1,000 followers, but I'm already making sales using this page. So let's get right into the method. So with this method, you are going to create a free Instagram page like this one. Just write a name that relates to the law of, like, that relates to success. Like for example, my name is Success Vibration. You can put a name like success, like manifesting success, the law of attraction. You can put the name of your page, something like that. Then, so with the method, you have to be posting. For the start, I recommend you start posting 5 times per day. 5 times per day, and you're going to be using high engaging posts like this one. You can see, like, for example, an explosion of money is coming your way this week. Type yes if you agree. You have to use posts like this in order to get people to engage with your posts, and Instagram will increase your reach as a lot of people are engaging with your posts. So I recommend you post 5 times per day. Spread it out during the day. The more posts you put out, the more people you are able to, the more reach you are going to get, and the more people are going to click on your affiliate links, and thus the more potential the more potential you have to get a lot of sales. So second thing I recommend you do is follow 20 to 50 people per day. So what you can do is that you go to big pages like this that in the same niche. For example, love attraction life. You go into one of their posts, just click on one of their posts, go into, click on the followers, people that are following this page, because people that are following this page are also interested in the law of attraction since they are in the same niche. So you click on these people that like the page and click on follow. I recommend you follow 20 to 50 people per day when you are getting started, so that you can get a lot of people to follow you back. This is a strategy I've been using, and I've been getting a lot of people to follow me back. That's why I've been able to grow a small page up to almost 1,000 followers very fast. And anyone can do this method. So one of the things that you have to do is use relevant hashtags. So for example, on my page, if you go to my page, you're going to see I'm using hashtags, relevant hashtags like life quotes, awakening, inspiration. So for you to get This high engagement tags, you have to go to one of the big pages in your niche, like in their law of attraction niche, the ones that have tags. For example, this one don't have. For example, this one. Go to this page and use the hashtags because they are already experienced in this niche, so they know what is working on this niche. They have best hashtags on this niche, so just copy what they are doing, copy the same hashtags that they're using, and you're going to get a lot of reach as well. So the next thing is to model successful pages. So as you can see on my page, many of the posts I model other pages are successful. I model other pages like this one, for example, this type of post that I model what is working for them, and also I do on my own page as well. So these are other examples of people using the same modeling this type of big pages, and they're having a lot of engagements and they're having a lot of followers. So when you're promoting a product, you have a lot of reach, because when you have a lot of followers, when you put something out for promotion, many of your followers are going to see, and many of them are going to buy your affiliate product. And one of the main things that you have to be, that I really recommend, and it's not really easy, is to be consistent. So you have to be consistent in posting these images and putting out content on your Instagram page. You have to be putting content every day, every single day, to be able to grow your page fast from scratch. But once you already have a lot of followers, you can post. You don't have to do all this work every day, like follow 20 50 people per day, because most of the people, you are going to be having organic followers. So before they start, you have to be consistent and you have to be doing the work upfront before you are going to see success. You have to work hard at first, then you have to work hard at first, then you don't have to work that hard when you're already getting results, when you have a lot of followers. So that's it, guys. For you to get the content, just go to these big pages, the top pages in your niche. You can use this same strategy in the weight loss niche, weight loss and fitness niche, and other niches that have products on ClickBank that you can promote. For example, for you to get this content, you just go to pages like this one, Love of Attraction Life, and download some of these images that they are using already, and also model their hashtags that are using on their post. So the method I use to download these images is there's a simple method that you can use to download these images and put it on your own Instagram page. So you just copy the link of the page and go to a website called GramSafe. Just type on Google GramSafe, you're going to come to this website. Just put the URL of the page and click on download. So that is it. You just click on download, or you open a different tab and click save. It's going to save to your computer, and you can use it, and you can use this page, and you can use this post to post on your own Instagram page and use the relevant hashtags. And also, one thing not to forget is to write a bio and with a call to action. For example, in my own bio, I wrote, check our powerful manifestation program to manifest money, desires, and your own reality, how others see you, and many more. Then I put a call to action to click on my link. So if you click on this affiliate link, you're going to see my affiliate product that I'm promoting on ClickBank. So that's it, guys. You have to take action on this method. This method works, and I promise you that if you take action on this method I'm showing you guys, you're going to get results. So if you like this video, please like and comment, and also check out the link in the description below to see my most recommended program to get started to make money online. So see you guys in the next video.